In today's video, I will show you how I made this hair growth tea, okay, to help to promote your hair growth and stop hair loss. So guys, the first ingredient we are going to be using is cloves, okay. Cloves has amazing ingredient, like amazing benefit for your hair growth, okay. Cloves help to stimulate blood flow from your scalp and it helps to promote your hair follicles, okay. It activates and encourage hair growth. You need a clean jar just like this, and after that we'll be adding our cloves inside. All right, cloves contains vitamin, minerals and fiber that can nourish your hair follicles and support overall hair healthiness. All right, so I'm also going to be adding star anise. In case I did not say that in the first video, star anise is amazing for hair growth. These are the benefits of star anise. Star anise has a natural lubricant for hair growth, okay. It also helps to stimulate hair growth and repair damaged hair. Star anise also balance the pH of your skin. It smooth and dry itchy of the scalp, okay. So it also, when you use star anise oil, it helps to remove dandruff and protect your hair from lice. So you put hot water inside and you allow this to infuse for 8 hours because it's a dry ingredient, and this is after 8 hours. After 8 hours we will strain it and apply it on my hair. So you guys know that my hair is on braids right now, like I put my hair on protective style. So this is the one of the tea I'll be applying on my hair for it to grow and also for it to nourish my hair and also for it to prevent my hair from hair breakage when I want to take down my hair braids, okay love. So this does not smell, it smells pretty amazing. Like the smell is so amazing. You're not going to have a smelly hair when you do this on your braids, okay love. So after I strain this, I'll also be applying a oil, which is our essential oil. I'm using this particular one, okay, for my hair. Is similar to tea tree oil, okay. This is also helps to promote hair growth, and I'm putting it inside because it's oil, so that when I apply it on my hair gets nutrients, which is water, and also gets oil, okay, to seal in my scalp. So this is good for your scalp as well. So besties, if you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed, please give me your amazing subscription, like the video, share it guys, share to other audience of natural hair lovers that want to grow out their hair, and I'll really appreciate it. Thank you all so much for your subscription, for your subscribing, and to my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. I really appreciate you all. So I just turn it into this container and I'll store this in my fridge. You can keep this up to 5 days. It's not gonna go bad. So right now I'm going to spray this on my scalp, okay. As I said earlier on, I'm just going to spray it on my scalp, then massage it, okay guys. So as you guys can see, my edges are coming up due to this chamber chapter 2000 I used on my hair. Like that thing is so amazing for your hair growth. So as I said earlier in that my video, I'll keep on using it till it's done, till I'm done with it. And if I'm done with it, I'll show you guys my result. Then maybe I'll order for more or go to any other different cream or pomade that will help to grow out our edges, okay. So I'm just going to massage it, and that's how I take care of my hair when it's on braid. I hope this video educates you. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you all. Like, you guys are the best, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.